In this tutorial, you'll learn how to remove the footer from your entire WordPress website, quickly and easily. Whether you're building a clean, minimal design or simply want to get rid of that default powered by WordPress text, this guide will walk you through every step so you can do it confidently on your own. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to your WordPress website. Once you're there, look toward the upper right corner box of the screen. You'll see a Punch Login Old option. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the WordPress authentication page. Here, you'll notice an option that says Continue with Google. Click that. It's the simplest way to log in using your existing Google account. You'll then be asked to select which Google account you want to use. Choose your preferred account carefully, because that's the one that will connect directly to your WordPress dashboard. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that. This will take you straight into the WordPress site editor, where you can make structural and layout changes to your entire website. When the editor loads, you'll see your website displayed in an editable format. Click on your site name or preview image to open it fully in the full site editor. Now, scroll down through your site's layout until you will reach the bottom of the page. This is where you'll find the footer section, usually marked clearly in the editor. Click directly on the footer area. You'll notice it becomes highlighted, showing that it's now selected for editing. Here's the important part. To completely remove the footer from your website, simply press and hold the Shift key, then press on backspace on your keyboard. That's it. WordPress will instantly remove the entire footer section from your website layout. Be sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button in the top right corner of the editor. This ensures your footer removal applies across your entire site. And just like that, your WordPress website now has a cleaner, footer-free look. This simple process may seem small, but it can completely change the appearance of your website, giving it a modern, distraction-free design that puts the focus right where it belongs, on your content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are working on their WordPress sites. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly refreshed website without that footer. In this